us at the moment in Aberdeen. Just a few puffs of cloud floating by. But what you can't see on the camera is just how windy it is. There are some strong winds around, not just across Scotland, but many parts of northern Britain. But across the rest of Scotland, it's a different story. We've got some heavy showers around, particularly in these northern and western areas. They've been coming in thick and fast throughout the day, some quite nasty downpours mixed in there. And so we're watching the flooding situation across Scotland. We've got 2 flood warnings currently in force, but we will be keeping a close eye on it throughout the day. And there's the floodline number on the screen for you if you need it. Now, I mentioned the winds. They're very strong across Scotland, but also some very brisk winds across much of Northern Ireland and Northern England as well, continuing for much of the day. So it's that combination really where we've got the heavy showers in Scotland, but the strong winds across many parts of northern Britain that could lead to some quite nasty conditions on the roads. We're looking at gusts up to around about 50 miles per hour. So that's not quite as strong as yesterday, but it's still not too nice. So plenty of showers around across the north and the west. I think the showers will become fewer and further between across Northern Ireland and northwest England as we go through the day. And for the rest of England and Wales, it's looking dry and bright. A little bit more in the way of cloud towards the west. We'll keep the best of that sunshine over towards more eastern areas. Even where the sunshine is out, though, it doesn't feel too warm. You'll know if you've been out there already. 17 or 18 degrees at best, but the breeze making it feel a good deal cooler. And with that strong wind gusting up to gale force across the north, 14 degrees will feel quite raw. But good weather, I should think, for the Champions Trophy at Edgbaston. It's bright and breezy here. It should stay dry for the rest of the day, although rather cool. Now, as we go through tonight, I think the strongest winds will become confined to the far north of Scotland. They'll be easing off elsewhere, as will the showers, but that's ahead of some thickening cloud and some outbreaks of rain, which will be moving across Northern Ireland during the night. And then tomorrow, that cloud and patchy rain will be sweeping its way across central parts of the country. So that will bring some wet weather, I think, to many of us. It won't quite reach the north of Scotland, and I think for very southern parts of England and Wales, we could well stay dry here all day, with some brightness coming and going. Temperatures are on a par with today, and those winds should be just a little bit lighter. Now, as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday, we're watching this nasty area of low pressure sweeping its way across the country. So that will take some rain down across southern Britain on Thursday. It'll brighten up to the north, back to sunshine and showers, but still some strong winds. Anna.